Hey guys, today we are going to make Sulliver from Friday Night Funkin'. So we are going to make Sulliver in 3D. It's in Paint 3D. It's in Paint 3D if you don't know. If you don't know Paint 3D yet, go check it out. Check it in your computer, not on your phone. If you check it on your phone, it's gonna be a bad idea. And I'm just gonna put an Among Us character over there to make it look really funny. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Okay, so here is what it is going to look like. Okay, so here is this Sulliver drawing. I'm just going to make it like this. I'm gonna make it like this a little bit. I'm gonna make it like this, and then make it a lot bigger, wider. Oh no. I really didn't want it to be like. Gonna make this really wide. Okay, here it is. Now we make this a lot bigger. And we did it! Woo! Okay. Make this a little smaller. I'm gonna make this a little smaller because I need it too big. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Now we are gonna go to 3D shapes, and then we are going to customize this color. Here is what his color actually looks like. His color is like a little bit pinkish and yeah, I didn't know. Okay, so it's going to be like a circle. It's going to be like a circle motion, okay? Okay. That's okay. It's okay, so everything is completely fine. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no, I made it the wrong way. Oh yeah? Hey. Yeah. It has to be like the perfect shape, perfect size. Now we are going to match it. We're going to match it. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, now we need to we must. I'm tracing it. Okay, here's. What the heck? No, this is not what I wanted to do. Oh. I did so bad. I'm doing really bad. Oh no. No. Okay, need more confidence. Oh yeah. Gonna make this here. Oh, it just looks like it, but I have to stretch it a little bit so it looks like the real one. Get up and then make it like this. Ta-da! I think it's kind of far. You know what? I'm doing this. Ta-da! It looks really bad. I just wanted it to make it perfect. but I did it badly. But that's okay, that's okay. Oh no, this is like the hardest part of all. Yeah. I'm just gonna make it straight through like this. Transforming my doodle. Yay! Yay, it's making my doodle worse. Actually, it looks great. It's great, but it's, oh no, I think I made it too big. Oh, now I made it too big. No! I made it too big. I made it too big. I made it too big. And then like match it over there. Oh, this sucks. Okay, so this is weird actually. Okay, let's 3D view it. Nope, doesn't look good. Let's go with mixed reality. Ah, it's just the head. So we need to like check it. Oh no, okay, let's go with the normal. We're going with this and that. Yes, here is when we print. We're printing it. Alright, okay. Stats and shading. Albedo. We are going to like, do something better about it. Oh no. Oh no. I'm trying to do it so good and I did it really bad. I did really bad at this, guys. Oh no! 7 minutes remaining. Sorry, guys. Oh no. Okay. Now let's zoom in a bit. Let's zoom in a bit and then. No. Oh. Okay. Okay, so this is what the head looks like. It looks okay, guys. So, tada! He's looking at. Now it looks like Sulliver! Yay! Woohoo! Okay, guys, if you wanted part 2, okay, I'm just going to end the video because I'm sorry, guys. We're ending this for part 2.